Hey beauties! So what if you weren't born with the perfect pair of chompers, but you want that Hollywood smile? Well, thankfully there are several different options nowadays to achieve this, but the good old tried and true solution is braces. Now, after many months of wearing braces, this person is finally getting them removed. Check out this sparkly before and after transformation. The first step is removing braces using pliers to weaken the glue holding the brackets in place, and then separating them from the teeth. Getting in all the nooks and crannies. After that, the orthodontist removes any residual glue left behind on the surface of the teeth. Time to clean them bad boys up. Wowza, that's a lot of work. But I bet they'll be grinning from ear to ear with a perfect set of pearly whites after this. Now those are some polished teeth. This is the moment to run your tongue over your teeth to feel the smoothness. It's the little things. Gotten your braces taken off? What was it like?